Ready to move your nods from Nodepay to Bybit and unlock new trading opportunities. First, log into your Nodepay account. Navigate to your wallet section, where you'll see your nods balance. Take note of the amount you wish to transfer. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer button. It may be under a more specific menu. Click on it to initiate the transfer process. Now, switch over to your Bybit account and log in. Find the deposit function. It's typically located under the Assets or Wallet section. Click Deposit. You'll need to select the correct cryptocurrency you are transferring. Note that depending on the configuration of Nodepay, you might first need to convert your nods to a more common token like USDT or another cryptocurrency supported by Bybit. Ensure you select the matching network for both platforms. Common networks include ERC20, BEP20, or ERC20. Double-check this. Bybit will generate a deposit address and possibly a memo or tag. Copy both the deposit address and the memo tag if required. Return to Nodepay and paste the Bybit deposit address into the withdrawal form. Also paste the memo tag. If required, double-check both addresses to avoid losing your crypto. Enter the amount of nods or the converted cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Review all the details carefully, then click the Confirm or Withdraw button. Now, simply wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. You can monitor the progress on both Nodepay and Bybit. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Bybit account and you are ready to trade. Congratulations!